It was a sunny Saturday afternoon. I was sitting in the living room, reading a book. My husband, Tom, was cleaning the car outside. Suddenly, he came inside and sat down next to me. He looked a little worried. "What's wrong, Tom?" I asked, putting my book down. Tom sighed. "I just got a message from my old friend, Lucy." "Lucy? Who is she?" I asked, surprised. "She was my girlfriend before we met," he said softly. I was quiet for a moment. "Oh, I see. Why did she message you?" "She said she is coming to visit the town soon," Tom replied. "I think we should meet her." I felt a little nervous. "Are you sure? It's a bit strange, don't you think?" Tom smiled. "I'm married to you now. She is just an old friend. Don't worry." I nodded, but inside, I felt a little unsure. "Okay, but I hope it's just a friendly visit." Later that week, we went to a cafe to meet Lucy. She was sitting at a table when we arrived. She looked very nice, with long brown hair and a big smile. She stood up when she saw us. "Tom, it's so great to see you," Lucy said, hugging him. Tom smiled back. "Lucy, it's been so long. This is my wife, Sarah." I smiled and shook Lucy's hand. "Nice to meet you, Lucy." "Nice to meet you too," she said, sitting down. We all started talking. Lucy asked about our life together, and I told her about our house and work. But I couldn't stop thinking about how Tom looked at her. He seemed happy, almost too happy. After some time, Lucy looked at me and said, "Tom was always so sweet. I'm glad he found someone like you." I smiled, but it felt strange. "Thank you, Lucy." After a while, we said goodbye to Lucy and went back home. Tom was happy, but I couldn't stop thinking about their past. "Did you like Lucy?" Tom asked as we drove home. I took a deep breath. "I think she's nice, but I don't know. It just felt strange." Tom looked at me. "I understand. But you are the one I love now. I promise." I smiled at him. "I know, Tom. I trust you."